So in this video we are going to talk about Pythagorean triples. In my previous video you learnt about Pythagorean theorem that states a square plus b square is equal to c square. Now Pythagorean triples are those numbers, three whole numbers you can say. The sum of the square of 2 gives you the square of third. For example, 3, 4, 5, as we saw in the last example in previous video, the square of 3 plus the square of 4, when you add them, gives you 25, which is equal to square of 5. So how many such numbers are there? How to figure out those Pythagorean triples? We are going to discuss in this video in detail about that. As you can see here, we have a right angled triangle whose hypotenuse is m square plus 1, and the two sides are m square minus 1 and 2m, where m is a whole number. So let us consider if these two numbers, these two sides, if we square these two, we will get the third one. Let us see with examples. M square minus 1 whole square plus 2m whole square is equal to m square plus 1 2 square. And with this series you can find many numbers of Pythagorean triples, like if you take m is equal to 2, m square minus 1, 2 square minus 1, that is 3, 2m, 2 times 2, that is 4, and m square plus 1, that is 2 square plus 1, that is 5. So one set of Pythagorean triples you have is 3, 4, 5. Now let us take m equal to 3. So 3 square minus 1, 3 times 2, 6, and 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, that is 10. So 6, 8 and 10 is another set of Pythagorean triples. 6, 8 and 10. Now let us take another example. M equal to 4. So we have m square minus 1 is 4 square minus 1, that is 16 minus 1, which is 15. 4 times 2 is 8, and 4 square plus 1 is 16 plus 1, that is 17. So 8, 15 and 17. This is our Pythagorean triples. So these are the set of Pythagorean triples which will follow the same rule. Taking m equal to 5, we get 5 square minus 1 from here. So 5 square minus 1, 24. 2 times 5, that is 10. And m square plus 1, that is 5 square plus 1. 25 plus 1, that is 26. So 10, 24, 26. These all numbers, and if you go on like m equal to 7, 8, 9, 10, you will get a set of Pythagorean triples. Now let us just quickly check the numbers that we have formed using this formula, m square minus 1 whole square plus 2m whole square equal to m square plus 1 whole square. So are these numbers following the Pythagorean theorem? So 10 square plus 24 square should be equal to 26 whole square. Now 10 square is 100 and 24 square is 576 and 26 square is 676. If you add the left hand side, you get 676, and right hand side is also 676. So we see that both left hand side and right hand sides are equal. That means the Pythagorean theorem that we are getting, they are actually following this formula. So you can use this formula to generate Pythagorean theorems. Now here you can see few Pythagorean triples: 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 8, 15, 17. So these are all the set of Pythagorean triples, and you can find many more. So just try, these are given for you to check. Just try. If you get squaring of one side plus squaring of the other side gives you the square of the third side. So these are the Pythagorean triples, which means all the triangles formed with these measurements of sides will always give you a right angle triangle. Suppose you have any right angle triangle whose one side is 13, other side is 84, and third side will be 85, and this will be a right angle triangle, because these are Pythagorean triples. Hope what I intended to explain you is clear to you. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.